Hello all ka-simply blessed people! How are you all? I hope all are well and happy. Today, I want to share to you my first ever Esteraha, a private resort like in Philippines to stay. I am your Ate Ann again and welcome back to my channel, Nurse Ann World. I celebrated my New Year happily and uniquely with my T1B1 family. I was adopted during the COVID pandemic time by ICU Intensive Care Unit for 1 year and 2 months, where I am so scared at first and so thankful for the learnings and additional confidence that they shared after. Especially during Code Blue postmortem care and handling of critically ill patients on mechanical ventilator. Unwinding on occasions is one of the activity to band each month. Be with us in exploring this place with our laughters and the memories. Before we will start, I want to thank you all for helping me grow my channel, and if you are new here in my community, please consider to support by clicking the like button, subscribe, and also the bell to be notified whenever I will upload new videos. Thank you! And asking you some help to not skip the ads. Thank you! On our way. Preparing. Ate Gina is packing her gift for Ate Nancy. But she doesn't know she is the one.
Wow!
It's true. Preparation. See the beautiful place and connected swimming pool. The fireplace. The awesome and simple swing place. With Myla, Malu, and Donna. And Anne. Ate Christina. Foodies. Photo shoot time. Ates Elenette, Gina, Nancy, and Christina. Malu, Harriet, Jennifer, and Ate Sheila. Jeremy, Ate Laila, Hannah, Shirley, Mika, Mean, Anne, Harriet, Arwina, Ate Nancy. The originals: Anne, Ate Elinette, Ate Nancy, Malu, Ate Gina, Jennifer, Anne, Kai, Myla, Mom Cathy, Erwina, Kaka, Ada, Jana, and Ate Elinette. Wow, this is nice. And this is the view here. Okay, good.
Paano nila kukunin?
Bigla ka magsasabi na ano.
Okay. Sige, slipper! Ready? Ready mo sa mga table. Over, this, head, goes, slipper! Knees! Okay, game. Listen. Knees! Shoulder! Feel! Atas ka rin malo! Game! Shoulder! Goes! Knees! Okay, tukod! Next! Ate Jean and Ate
Christina!
Next! Ate Myla and... Ano pang natin?
Jerry!
Sunod si Ate Shirley or okay, hababad. Okay, sino na last two?
Ate Ana!
Ate Ana and...
Ate Paula! Oh, my last.
Sino last dito? Si Mean?
Simayaan. Hindi po! Ano,
Hindi, meron pa. Oh, may last pa. Kayo ni Ate Paula ang dalawang last. Okay, pang 9. Okay, Miss! Paula sa head, toes, shoulder, butt, caps, head, knees, pillow.
sabi ko sa'yo eh.
Okay, bye po, hindi na lang. Group 1. Okay, kailangan na magkakatabihan. Wait! Pino!
Ate, dapat ay measuring ano kayo mama eh. Ayun sa atin. Stick na lang. Kasi mas malaki yung ito. Ate, ang sakit ako. Yung ate ba? Sabi na.
Walang gagalaw!